Hi everyone, welcome to Learning Math with VK. Today we explore lesson 6 in algebra, solving linear equations and applications. 1. Solving linear equations. A linear equation is an equation in which the power or exponent of x is 1. To solve a linear equation for x, we isolate it on one side of the equation. How do we do that? Let's take a look at a few examples. First example, 2x minus 3 equals -7. First thing is we're going to add 3 on both sides. Do this and we are able to isolate the term 2x on one side. Next, divide both sides by 2. And we finally get x by itself and x equal to -2. Pretty cool, huh? Well, let's take a look at an equation that's a little more difficult. 5x minus 2 times x minus 1 equals 11. Now, to do this one, the first thing is we distribute -2. 5x, -2 times x is -2x. -2 times -1 is +2 equals 11. 5x minus 2x is 3x plus 2 equals 11. Now we get a linear equation in the same format as part A or example A. -2 on both sides. 3x equals 9. Divide 3 on both sides. And x equals 3. Pretty cool, huh? Last example. 3x minus 4 equals x plus 2. We want x to be on one side of the equation. So we are moving term with x to one side. Minus x minus x. X minus x gone. 3x minus 1x is 2x minus 4 equal 2. Same format as example A. So +4 on both sides. 2x equals 6. And divide both sides by 2. X equals 3. Pretty cool. There's a way to check the answer. We can check the answer using substitution. 3x minus 4 equals x plus 2. We just need to sub x equals 3. 3 times 3 minus 4 on the other side. 3 plus 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 4. It should be the same as 3 plus 2. That is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 is the same as 5. It means that we did the problem correctly. Well, there are ways that we can use technology to check the answer. Notice that 3x minus 4 is a function, and we call it function 1. X plus 2 on the other side of the equation is function 2. Well, when we set the two functions equal to each other, the intersection is the solution. In order to see that, let's take a look at Desmos. This is a very powerful way to sketch function. We have a 3x minus 4. Straight line, huh? On the other side of the equation is x plus 2. Look at the intersection here. The intersection is at the point 3, 5. So x equals 3 is the answer. Another way to check the answer is use Wolfram alpha. All you have to do is solve and type in the equation 3x minus 4 equal x plus 2. Hit enter. And ta-da! Look at the result here. X equal 3. Pretty cool, huh? Wolfram Alpha even do the plot for you and give you the intersection. The intersection is that, of course, x equal 3. Okay, let's move on to the application. There are many useful applications of linear function and linear equation in real life. First application is in business and economy. For example, a multi-store costs 20,000 per month to operate. This is the fixed cost, and it includes utility, rent, employee salary, etc. Each cup of milk tea costs $2 to make, and it is sold for $6. A, find the cost function. B, find the revenue function. C, the break-even point occurs when revenue is equal to cost. Find the number of milk tea cups the store must make and sell each month to break even. Remember, in business, the most important part is you want to break even. So let's take a look at the solution. In A, we want to find a cost function. Well, in order to figure out a function, we need a variable. The number of milk tea cup, we don't know what it is, so we let it be x. Here, cost is defined as fixed cost plus variable cost. Cost is written as C of x. Fixed cost is 20,000. Variable cost, well, it costs $2 to make each cup. Well, we have x cup, so it's 2x. In B, revenue is defined as price times quantity. The price is the price per cup, so that's $6. And the quantity is the number of cups. X, x. Revenue is written as R of x. So now we can do C. In order to do the break-even point, figure it out, we set revenue equal cost. So revenue equal cost, x equal 20,000 plus 2x. This is a linear equation. We can solve for x and figure out the number of milk tea cups to break even. Minus 2x on both sides. Because the goal of solving a linear equation is we have to isolate x on one side of the equation. This is gone. So we have 4x is equal to 20,000. Divide both sides by 4. And ta-da! X is 5,000. Wow, that is a lot of milk tea cups to make and sell each month to break even. Another cool application is in statistics and data analysis. For example, on exam number 1, a student scored 10 points for 0 hour of study. This is how you bomb an exam. On exam 2, the student scores 46 points for 6 hours of study. On exam 3, the student scores 70 points for 10 hours of study. According to the data, how many hours should the student study to get 90 points on exam 4? To do this problem, we got to figure out a way to sort the data. And the best way to sort the data is use the table. The score depending on the study hour. Study hour And on the other side, it's going to be exam score. Study hour, we're going to let it be X, exam score Y. 0 correspond to 10 points. Sit correspond to 46 points. 10 correspond to 70 points. And then from here, we can get the point X, Y. 0, 10, 6, 46, 10, 70. We can plot the points, see what the point is going to give us. Best way to plot is, of course, using technology. And the technology here is Desmos. Let's take a look at Desmos here. You can plot the point 0, 10. Next is 6, 46. And then the last one is 10, 70. Well, if you want to see what is going on, you got to do the zoom in. Make sure that you do the zoom in correctly so you can see. Now it looks good. Look at the 3 point here. It does form a straight line. I'm gonna cut it onto the note, and we're gonna take a look at it. Let's cut it right here. Okay. Get a ruler and see, yay. You do get a straight line through the 3 point. Yeah. Meaning that we can use a linear equation to model. Okay. Linear equation is y equal mx plus b. Well, when we take a look at the graph, the y-intercept is right here. B equal 10. And then we can get the slope. Slope is rise over run. So we rise up here. So that's rise. Rise is gonna be the difference between the y value. So this point right here is the second point. 46. That is 46 minus 10. 36. We do the run. Difference in x, 6 minus 0 equals 6. So the slope here is rise over run. 36 over 6, which is 6. And from here, we have the model. Y equal to 6x plus 10. Pretty cool, huh? Next, we can figure out the hours the student should study to get 90 points on exam 4. The number 90 points is the exam score, so that's y. Y equal 90. So we have to sub y equal 90. And then when we sub y equal 90, get 90 is 6x plus 10. Now we can get the hours by solving for x. Pretty cool, huh? Minus 10, minus 10. AD equals 6x. And divide both sides by 6. That gets us x to be 13.33. Thank you for watching. I hope you find the content useful. Please like and subscribe to help the channel grow. See you in the next video.